Mayo buntag. Hey, gotcha.
Yeah.
Morning. Hello. Jaja's goddaughter, eating some rice for breakfast. And Ray's having lumboy for breakfast.
Yeah.
Natural tobacco from Cebu, rolled in a dried tree leaf. And if you can guess, today is church day.
Good morning.
Because now we have the Pajero. So I'm gonna ask you to do a video and see if the Pajero starts nice and cold. And we clip this old guy onto the positive, like so, and then we go like anytime. Just turn the key, give it just a slight amount of gas, you remember that. A slight amount of diesel. What do you think, Vincent? Pretty cool, huh? Let's see if there's smoke early in the morning. No smoke, huh? Zero. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And the wife too. Yeah, she's running great. Little Sunday family lunch here. We don't recommend the sisig, by the way, but other stuff is good. Pretty quiet, huh? So Jaja's gonna tell you guys what these, as best she can. That's local chicken, right?
Yes.
Which is much more expensive.
Salad,
Seaweed, yeah.
sweet and sour, I think.
Okay. Good old.
Pancake. This for soup. Pork and beef.
Beef or carabao?
We call it carabao beef, no?
Maybe, yeah. And as far as snacks go, mango cubes, that's a new one. I'll have to try that. Mango cubes? Is that actual mango or looks like cheddar cheese? These are very good. Sesame seed. These are very good. Definitely be leaving with some of those today. Don't care for these. I've tried them. It's kind of like sweet potato chips. And dried banana. Certainly have a nice venue here. Hello, ¿cómo está acá? Mayo buntag. So impressive, I know. Yeah, that's a great question. I don't know what that is. It looks like gravy, but I doubt it. That's soy sauce with spicy, and that's chop suey. Lechon, yeah. So Joda's gonna try these mango cubes. So, what do you think it is actually? Is it mango?
Jelly.
Mango jelly. Yeah, that makes sense. Because there's no way a cube could stay preserved in a bag like that. Yeah.
I told you.
Yeah, you're right. Let me try.
No.
Oh, yeah, okay. It's like those jelly candies, but it's good though. You like that one? Big wheel? Yeah. Yeah, it's big like the Pajero, huh?
Nice.
Yeah, I like that one. Let's
Take a
ask how much it is.
That's not for sale.
Are you sure? Ask the guy. Everything's for sale.
Yes.
This one?
Yeah, tractor.
How much?
Amo. Service.
Ah, see the
The Pajero.
780.
780, huh? What year?
2008.
What engine? 3.2?
3.8. 3.8.
It's been in the sun a lot. Yeah, it is. I think that body style's sort of growing on me. I think he said 780. 780,000. It's a Suzu here.
780 same.
It's all 780.
Yeah.
Everything's 780.
Yeah.
That one too, 780?
550.
Two-wheel drive?
Yeah.
So this is four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive.
Yes.
How about this one?
Yeah, that is not for sale.
Not for sale?
Yeah.
That one?
This one is 1M50.
Huh?
1M50.
1.9?
1M.
1M.
50.
1 million.
1 million
50.
and 50 pesos?
50,000.
And 50,000, 1.5, okay. That makes sense. And that's four-wheel drive, huh?
Yeah.
Four-wheel drive? And how about the Hilux?
1.2.
1.2
1.2.
million, okay. So 22,000, I guess. It's not so bad. Chevy. Woo! Wow. Yeah, that's been ridden hard and put away wet. It even smells like a swamp inside. Ask about what engine is the Toyota there, the white one? That one.
Anong engine daw nito?
Diesel? Diesel?
Yeah. Oh, diesel, yes, diesel.
Do you know what size? No? No. Is that straight axle? These used to be all straight axle, Hilux. Yeah, no, not anymore. Still, decent vehicle there. What do you think, Mira? Matches your dress. What, babe? Changing the kilometers, maybe? The gauge cluster's out. Tick, 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 tick. 120,000? No, 60,000. The seat looks good though. Oh, those are covers over the originals. That's not original upholstery there. Have to look at the original seat upholstery to get an idea about original kilometers. They did a good job on these fender flares. Yeah, that's my boy there. How old are you, Vincent?
What's going on?
I have no idea. Lots of smoke. Just suddenly.
Yeah, smoke.
station?
The station.
And now normal?
Wait, they're closed.
It's closed.
Ah, there. Yeah, I
Now
saw
it's normal.
it. I saw it when you started. There was a smoke.
Can you ask if they take Gcash? Huh? No, huh? Yeah. Now it's running normally. I don't know, but we definitely have to contact the tech guy again because this is not.
Well, maybe you're pushing it too hard.
No. Wow. So that was behaving exactly the way it did before he fixed the pump. And now it seems normal. I'm not going to push it now. But now it seems normal again. So I don't know. I don't get it. There's no smoke now. Well, we made it back to Carmen, and the reason why I say made it back is because it started acting up again. Started out, big cloud of blue smoke, no power, stuttering and stammering, and barely limped it along the road for about, I don't know, a few minutes, five minutes. It felt longer than that, and then suddenly it got power again, and then went back to normal. So low fuel wouldn't really explain that behavior, at least I wouldn't think. But we're putting 3,000 of fuel in anyway, about 60 bucks. Not sure. See if it's empty or not, I don't know. So far it's taken close to 2K. The guy's behaving as if it's close to full, so maybe it is. So yeah, couldn't be. It's 41 liters. Have to check the tank size on this. Remember, you push one of those buttons for, oh, that one. And then that one, it goes to the next round, yeah, like that. Okay, 42 liters. So the fuel gauge is going up. I think it doesn't work below 1/4.
24.3 gallons.
24.3 gallons. Can you? Okay, hold on.
92 liters.
Huh?
92 liters.
92 liters? Yeah, that's not the answer then. That means our tank was half full, so the mark where it was on was pretty accurate. So that's not the problem. Yeah, exactly. This is his first time actually riding and pedaling.
Use the
Wow.
one. Yeah, that one.
Good job.
Yeah.
Amazing. Big step today, huh?
May araw ba na umaga lang siya pumapasok? Merong
Oo,
lang.
ganun. Ano yung po?
Di mo naman sa
Yung kumuha siya ng apat na bibili sa pagwawalis mo. Sabado, hindi mo siya nag-update.
Good job. Good braking, Vincent. That's exactly right. Soft brake, not hard.
Lunes, bigla kayong dumating, wala siya, di ba? Nagtatakbo siya nung hapon nung dumating kayo, nung nakita mo rin nakahawak ng...
First time he's
Doon ka na sa labas nila Edna. Ayun.
balanced and pedaled on his own. And started on his own too. So filled up the tank and just did about a 20-minute hard uphill mountain climb. And no problem, but I noticed when I push 1.5 bar, it seems as if the fuel supply starts to be just not enough. But I don't know that I need to be pushing 1.5 bar. So as long as I stay around 1.2, 1.3, even at 1.4, it seems to be nice smooth power. So I don't know. I'll just keep driving it for a while. I've got the guy's phone number for the injection pump, and get out of here before this guy tries to charge me. I'll just show you guys what we came up here. Like I said, 1.4 is okay. I don't know, it's still pretty darn good actually. I don't know, but I can start to feel a little weakening at 1.5, which would be fuel supply. So, anywho, just gonna test drive for a while. Give it a couple weeks and see if there's any more issues.
Absolutely.
Great job.
Great job.